right this very second, there is literally a massive, invisible war raging inside your body. And honestly, it is completely changing how we think about modern medicine. Here is a pretty wild fact to start us off. Your immune system likely killed a malignant cancer cell today. Yep, right inside your own tissues. And you didn't feel a thing. You probably just went about your day completely oblivious. And that's because your body's natural defenses did exactly what they evolved to do. But how exactly does this whole system work? Let's break it down. To really grasp the sheer scale of this battlefield, you gotta consider the numbers. Your body is made up of roughly 30 to 40 trillion cells, and they are constantly dividing just to keep you alive and healthy. Now, every single time one of those cells divides, it has to copy an unbelievable amount of genetic data. We are talking about roughly 3 billion letters of DNA every single time. So this microscopic copy and paste process is happening relentlessly, like thousands of times a second. It's basically an incredibly complex biological machine, and it's actually astonishingly accurate almost all of the time. But, it's not perfect. I mean, when you're copying billions of letters, occasional errors are just bound to happen, right? Biology can be a little messy sometimes. Now, while most of those tiny little mutations really don't matter at all, a few of them can end up creating abnormal proteins, and those proteins can actually give rise to a tumor. It's kind of like the initial spark. But don't panic, because fortunately, your immune system acts like this elite internal surveillance team. It spots those abnormal proteins, recognizes them as foreign invaders, and immediately just eliminates the threat. Boom, gone. Here's where we get into a real biological arms race, though. Some cancer cells actually adapt. They mutate even further, actively hiding their identity just enough to survive that first wave of attack. So what happens is a sort of stalemate. The immune system still manages to keep these sneaky cells under control, preventing them from growing rapidly. But it can't fully eliminate them anymore. And the cancer cells, they just keep evolving. They actually start producing these specific signals that act literally like brakes. It's a chemical stop command that completely switches off your immune system's ability to fight back. This right here is the tipping point. The brakes are fully engaged, your immune system is basically blindfolded, and the tumor can now grow completely unchecked. And it's usually at this stage that physical symptoms finally start to appear. But enter the absolute paradigm-shifting science of immunotherapy. This is so cool. It isn't about pumping the body full of toxic chemicals, it's an entirely different way of looking at the battlefield. See, unlike traditional chemotherapy, immunotherapy doesn't actually use drugs to directly hunt down and kill cancer cells. In fact, it kind of leaves the tumor itself alone. Instead, it's all about restoring control. It actively trains and empowers your body's own natural defenses to go back and finish the job they were trying to do all along. By blocking those deceptive stop signals we talked about, immunotherapy essentially removes the brakes. Your immune system wakes right back up, clearly sees the threat again, and goes in to destroy those abnormal cells. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do. It is a truly profound shift in medicine. So, are you ready to learn more about this? You can check out immunointelligence.co.uk for more info.